Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about problems on measurements. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are introduction, problems on length measurement and problems on weight measurement, and after that we'll have a quick discussion about problems on time measurement. Now let's move forward. So here are a few warm-up questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume it after to check your answers. We'll pat you back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward and let's have a quick introduction about different kind of units. So we'll try a few questions here, so take your time, give it a pause and try the given questions. So if I talk about 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. 1 meter has got 1000 millimeters. 1 centimeter is same as 10 millimeters, and if I talk about 1 hour, we have 60 minutes, and 1 kilogram is same as 1000 grams. So we'll be using different units to measure different types of things. Now let's move forward and let's talk about problems on length measurement. So let's read the question here. So it says that Maria purchased 24 meters and 25 centimeter rope, and Nancy purchased 17 meters and 15 centimeter rope. What is the total length of ropes both of them have purchased? So what we can do here is we can convert these two parts into a common number or into a same unit. So I can say that this one is same as 24.25 meters. So basically, to convert centimeters into meter, you can just divide the 25 with 100 and you'll get 0.25. The same way if I talk about this part. So we are converting 15 centimeters into meters. So that will be 15 divided by 100, and the answer will be 17.15 meters. So what do we need to do next? We need to work out the total length. And if I talk about total, we are pretty much clear that we need to add these two numbers together. So I'll just write it down there for you. So that's 24.25, and then we are adding 17.15 to that. So take your time and let's add the numbers together. Well, I hope that you got the same answer here. So the answer is 41.40 meters. So always make sure that if you're working with a question of measurement, you need to have like the same kind of unit for every number. So that's why we converted that part into meters itself. Now let's move forward towards the next slide. So now we'll talk about problems on weight measurement. So let's pause the video and read the question once. So a shopkeeper had 48 kilograms and 500 gram flour in a shop. So he has already sold 36 kilograms and 250 grams of flour. Find how much flour does he has left in his shop. So the question here is asking about how much flour he has left, which means that we need to take away or we need to subtract. So first what we can do is we can convert that all into kilograms or all into grams. So this time let's convert that to grams. So that's basically 48,500 grams. And if I talk about this number, so that's 36,250 grams. So now the next step is to take away, so I'll just write down the numbers there for you. Take your time and give it a try. Well, I hope that you worked really well with the takeaway problem here. So we can say that 12,250 grams of flour he has left in his shop, or you can write that in kilograms like this. I'll just write it down there for you. So that's 12.250 kilogram, or you can write it like 12.25 kilograms. Now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's talk about problems on time measurement. Let's take a time and read the question. So if Vinny took 3 hours to bake 9 cupcakes, how much time did each cupcake take? So what we can do is we can create a quick diagram here. So 3 hours he took to bake 9 cupcakes. We need to work out that how much time did it take for one cupcake. So I'll put 1 here because it's talking about each cupcake. So think what you'll do to reach from 9 to 1. Well, you're correct. So what you can do is you can divide that with the 9 itself, and we need to do the same thing here. So if you divide the other side with a 9, so basically you're dividing 3 with a 9, so you'll get 1/3. So 1/3 of an hour. So if we have 60 minutes in 1 hour, I'll just write it down there for you. So if 1 hour has got 60 minutes, if I talk about 1/3 of that, it will be 20 minutes. So we can say that we took 20 minutes to bake, or yeah, to make like 1 cupcake, and it took 3 hours to make 9 cupcakes. Now let's move forward. So here are a few practice time questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done, you can resume it after to check your answers. Well, congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.